Good afternoon everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. We're here on an absolutely glorious autumn afternoon here in sunny Lymington with the sun just starting to gently set over to our west. Today we're looking at this new listing. She's just coming onto the market with us now. She is of course a Back Cove 29. She's called Lily. She's a 2005 boat. These were built up in Maine in northern United States by Back Cove Yachts. It's a really interesting design. It's a proper down Easter. The same parent company as Sabre Yachts, who build a beautiful twin engine, but Back Cove really went for the single engine option, and we'll go and have a look around her now. So she's a modified V hull. I'm just going to switch around so you can see this boat rather than me yakking. So she's a modified V hull. She's got a prop pocket aft here, which allows her to run with a much flatter shaft drive than a conventional shaft option. She's single engine. She's running with the upgraded Yanmar 315 6 engine, which is a six cylinder turbocharged unit, and you can expect to see around about 27 odd knots flat out on her, and she'll really happily cruise pretty efficiently at around 22 knots. So really superb, beautiful downeaster. As you can see, she's got a hard top here, 3 forward facing screens. She's got opening vents on the top to get air in there, and there are sliding screens on the side. Walkaround decks right the way around it. Beautiful painted hull, which was done a few years ago. It's looking really nice nick. White waterline here. Engine regularly serviced and plenty of good documentation behind that. She's got a Delta 20 kg hook on the front with a good length of chain and 200 meters of warp as well, and she's just got a small Lumar electric windlass there, so plenty of scope for getting her out there and resting at anchor. So these decks are moulded, so you've got non-slip running right around here in the traffic areas. That's called smoke white. I worked with the Back Cove dealers and we were importing these boats at the time, and in fact I took her direct sister ship over to Guernsey for delivery to her first owner, and she was absolutely brilliant through the rough stuff. So you've got a really nice sunken aft cockpit there. Bathing platform at the moment, we've got a tender on there, but you've got a good bathing platform with a transom shower in there, 2 seats either side, and a really nice storage locker underneath here, and that's access down as well onto your P bracket and access onto your fuel tank. So main wheelhouse is here, so plenty of protection on board, and as you can see it's really not far to climb up onto her, and you've got plenty of nice stout handholds right the way around, and you're straight onto here. So these are the pocket hatches up in the roof. She's got solar charger, which was added this year. It's trickle charging your batteries. Simrad radar, Simrad plotter, both fairly recent additions. Just have a quick tour around the decks here. So nice and wide in the side deck department. Moving forward, got this good foredeck area. Anchor locker just on this hatch here. Plenty of space for warp down in there and access to the bottom of that windlass. And then nice simple mechanism just for rolling that out the front. Pronghorn cleats here. She's got LED lighting for her nav kit. Opening central section, which was an option on these on a central screen. And 2 side screens. She's got recent washers just to get some more water on the screens if needed on longer passages, and a wiper for each screen. As you can see here, this is just on a hinge, so the whole lot opens up. So let's pop down into this cockpit, show you inside this 2005 Back Cove 29. So really easy access from either side. Then you're onto this nice aft deck. So we've got seating either side, Again, real easy fairleads here for getting lines down. Hot and cold shower there, plenty of locker space underneath here. Also locker space underneath both seats here and the main helm seat there. So these are Stids. Nice canvas cushions here. Back Cove really good, built in the main tradition, so plenty of timber here. And we got helm, co-pilot, both have seats and footrests underneath here. Very nice varnished companionway doors. And then your main binnacle, this is superb. This whole lot hinges back if you need to, so really easy access. And these two hinges underneath here for anything major. We've got main throttle here. She's got a bow and stern thruster, so she will literally go sideways if you wish her to. This is your trim tab controls. She has run 880 hours on her single Yamaha 315. Recent Simrad plotter, recent autopilot. This is really your engine management here. Anchor windlass is here. These are just lights throughout. So we've got low level lighting, we've got dimmers, accessories. This is your anchor control here and nav lights, wipers, horn, blowers, etc. And this is engine start, etc. So turn that on, that's engine start. Also activates the trim tabs at the back, which will shut up in a second. So screen wipers, cockpit light, seating right the way around here, plenty of carcassing underneath there to get at. Have a look at the engine last of all. We'll just pop down here into the main saloon area. So galley is over to port. It's a really super finish. This is really nice American cherry here, light satin varnish, good storage cabinets here. We've got a microwave behind there. We've got an Origo alcohol or electric stove underneath there. Power points on board. She's got power coming from solar, inverter or shore power. All your 12 volt management is here, recent batteries throughout. She's got fusion stereo, Everspacker heating, bilge pumps are controlled from up here. Plenty of light coming in through here from this opening hatch here. Got opening port lights, got 4 in all. Again, bird's eye maple here, beautiful burr finish on that. This drops down to make a double berth. I've made a quick couple of pictures of that for you, which is beautifully finished. Look at that. In the main tradition. Good size hanging locker here. Then we've got heads and shower is aft in here. So you've got heater outlet into here, shower sump pump. This is an umbilical shower, so you just pull that out. You've got again an opening port light in here, plenty of storage here, electric head, holding tank, etc. standard on these, built up to USCG and RCD category C. So she is good for coastal work. That's access into the engine bay for the front of the engine, actually quite neat. And the steps come right the way out if you need to get down into the hull. There's an inspection hatch underneath there. That of course is a fridge, that is a sink, hot and cold, blah 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 blah. Alright, so just go and have a look up here. So these boats, real traditional, beloved by the Americans. They're fast, she's got plenty of power. Really nicely weighted hatch there. That just pulls up like that. Got 2 big gas struts there. Got lighting in here, plenty of insulation. Extra insulation actually on top of the floor added by her owners. And then we've got 4 batteries on board. So 3 are domestic, 1 is engine cranking. You've got your exhaust going out there. Inverter up there. Main Yamaha 315 running straight down here. Gearbox is really easy to get at. You've got a conventional, just simple stuffing box. The shaft seal was replaced in about 2023. Your main isolators are here. Transducer, port starboard. All of the seawater fittings through the hull are in Marlon, so you can't get any corrosion on them. And then just over to port, probably be able to see there. That's your main engine fuel filter. So filtering the fuel from the tank, which is back here, before it gets anywhere near your engine. So Really neat layout, and we've got a 6-person life raft in there as well. So I'll just drop this down now, just turn out that light. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the brief run round Lily. So just to reiterate, she is a 2005 Back Cove 29. Superb piece of design, really well found, relatively rare on our neck of the woods unfortunately. Please do give us a call if you need any more information or would like to come and have a look at her in person. Many thanks for watching.